Yeah, it's another nice evening in Market Lavington, but we've got a bit of a mist going on. Can you see the mist? This mist means you can't really see the horizon, and this mist is a bit smelly too because it smells of smoke. And it means one thing and one thing only. It means the Salisbury plain is on fire. And that means that the military have been setting the Salisbury plain on fire. And that means that they have been blowing things up. And in general, causing absolute mayhem to our village, which has to suffer the indignity of putting up with second-hand smoke. And second-hand smoke, as we all know, is banned now. You're not allowed to have second-hand smoke from cigarettes. But apparently, you see, yet again, when it's the military, when it comes down to our boys in fucking blue, you could just set anything you want on fire. You can't see the hills. You can't see the hills because of fucking smoke. Yeah, that's right. And God knows what's in that smoke, isn't it? What sort of chemicals and, heavy metals and maybe radioactive substances. Who knows what's in that fucking smoke? But, you see, it's okay to blow up and bomb a site of scientific and special interest, an SSRI, or an SSI. It's okay to blow it up as long as you're the military. But if I go up there in a car or maybe a bike, or if I want to go and camp on it, you can't camp on it because it's a site of scientific special interest. See, so but you and I can't do fuck all to fucking anything because we're just scum. But if you're the military, it's alright, you can just blow it up and set fire to it. Because you're the military, so you're special, you see? And this is why I don't have a lot of respect for the fucking law in this country. Yeah, especially when they go doing things like, jailing Tommy Robinson and, fining for a joke Mark Meehan, Count Dankula. Yeah? Freedom of speech in this country? No. Freedom of expression? No. Freedom to do what you want to do? No. If you're one of them, you can do anything you want. Build any way you want. Do what the fuck you want. But if you're one of us, you can just fuck right off. So do you know what I say to your site of scientific special interest and your fucking things? I go, fuck off. And I'm going to do whatever the fuck I want with my life because I can't see the fucking horizon and I'm breathing in smoke. I'm breathing in smoke. Yeah. It's been so bad. The fire brigade have had to tell Salisbury Plain not to be doing it. Right? Not to be doing it because it's actually blocking the roads and people can't drive on the frigging roads. That's how bad it gets. But it's alright because they're the military. They're just training to kill people. It's okay. They're not psychopaths. They're not psychopaths and trained murderers. They're just protecting the country for oil. Yeah, fucking pricks.